Yo.
Rumah dan aku paling so untuk menggunakan biskuit lain.
Iya.
Kena proses crackers.
Iya. Rubaya. Diara benaka. Bese bici da bese berbura. Mata kali singa tu si tadi kuah. Anda willy singa juga nih goer na mau nembaki. Kita kena maru tadi cura bito karena mata gede dai.
Everybody, they are inside the phone.
Ada benaka lagi dosen.
Bosia.
Ada benaka malah tu itu bau. Ada benaka alesi. Na boleh besar bito karena mata ni kuah. Resi beringin. Anda benar Mateo.
Muna kamera. Selemu.
Oh.
Everybody.
Ito na lewi Mateo Valu, cikong ko na malata. Anda benar ka Iliani.
Isa muna ko.
Davis Endaku Lambasa Zoya Mateo. Mateo kaji kumai. Oh tese spin manda. Iya.
Muna ko ya Rosalemu.
Iyo.
Malolo di Piretu.
Toso. Wana na utubuna. Shock manda, shock.
Australia, America, New Zealand, America, Trilo. Oi. Mula siya mo lemu. Tayo ni muna pa biar tu nak pelau.
Okay, shock nanda kumu. Hey, ayaw na shock ko.
Baris family mula.
Yeah. Tabo.
Tamu ni rai. Samurai sin sudu tomorrow.
Cameraman no turang matagalo marika na mata ka ni ko. Ibra ka chese wana mata birno kantar wala sama cuma mata ko ni berndor tegu.
Hey, a big bulabinaka to everybody that are listening to Ridge FM and watching from Out Palang show around the world.
Yeah.
A big bulabinaka to all our families in Fiji and around the Pacific,
Around the world.
Tonga, Malole to you all, and Australia, New Zealand, America, around the world.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bakit mata birno na romo chigumai ne bugu bugu din tonang ga selo kita. No ne bugu bugu di kenru tos. Okay, iko rochi mo na screen. You know? Iya. Okay, bakit ka sa tombo nang gasya? Guys, sa baka me sinikilo ka na tabi ka. Bakit ba nalo ka ni mata na? Ken chigo. Iya, orang lebih sih kan nonton ide mana mata. Oke. Orang cek terus sama dia saraya mata ni ko, aku suka ngabi ken tar mata ken dai. Bukan tak ko. Ena lebu ni no musaka asilika. Salutu maina prem o Timothy.
You know, asilika.
Yeah.
You know, the carelessly of your hand and the carelessly of your mind.
Yeah.
You know, that's why Papa Timothy fell or fall on the trembling.
Okay. Ngase weli lebu bilikasa. Dawo so menangusuna ni via kaya mayendonaka.
You know, this guy or this man Vilikesa. He has a big mucus or a big whale on his mouth.
Say he has a waterfall in his mouth.
He has a big waterfall on his mouth. Whenever he talks, we cannot understand.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Kosa ni tuku na be kangori ni talongo kongori dongus kambasyo.
You know, don't tell that guy or don't tell that girl that story. That boy or that girl has a big mouth like an envelope.
Randa ba koi bola. Okay, dongo. Ndo nga kaya ni revirao ni rabitu ena sinibe sinikao ena bonombuto. Saka chiku nikila isio de na elewa ni umbitu na uluna ena kuru lebu ni bakasanga.
You know, they saw or they telling that they met them in a big plantation of flower.
With them,
and they cannot realize because they said that the guy hide his head on a big pot of fooding.
Okay. Buna saya wa tale na ngoni salangori. May baba nga mendor tacos no and ambati ni with yoyango.
You know, Buna, you know, if we go that far away, we will be long and long and long. Just
until the sunrise.
Until the sunrise. Just back to back me and I'll take you to that teeth water.
Back to
that teeth water.
Back to back.
Back to back.
Hey, okay. Vuri simpatiti ko en matagani ko iso get kusatale no na ameleka.
You know, Esau was brushing his tie and he didn't realize the long of his brush tackled his tongue inside.
Okay, sampai sini dingoma na nonangiri. Okay, sampai sini dingoma nonangiro basya ba? Sampai data tu ko nakana, sampai data tu nakana luke. Sa lutu saranga na ngona.
You know, Luke has been calling a Vaseva. He's been calling Vaseva. But Vaseva don't like her. And he's been tangling his body slowly down.
Okay. Sande bena bosa Titilia membele ti Marika. Sange lebunga na ibuku ni Marika.
You know, Titilia has been tiring us worrying about his Marika. And Marika realized that she is not doing anything. And now his action speaks louder
than words. Alright, dotalango. Ojo speak antar ko na matangani ko. Na lebu ni pagato tolo na itemesi. Buki talo tumandanga no na sulu bagatanga. Butu yani kita tumbang gay tindara. Wana ruro ki madawa. Oile alibate. Bau kaya manda.
You know, Temesi, the fast and furious of his action. You know, when he went, the Sulu that's supposed to be outside was inside. And he was
stepping outside.
Right? And other feet tackle another feet. And he trembled. And his brother said, Alivati.
And his two legs too.
And his two legs look up to the sky. And Alivati saw him. And he said, hey bro, you have a wrong solo. And they found that he has a long loaf with Roro inside his pocket.
Eh, kana sere bo ne tu ragreta sel serebi. Kana sere sau melasa.
Eh, bikin natural merana terbawa gitu dari aku mulai. Memaksa orang Cina susu. Marau. Dia susu kari. Nenek Cina. Nenek Cina dia
semua Islami.
Eh, Tiara.
Tosa sa kata-kata.
Sa
sua. Sau. Ya. Slow motion tuh kayak. Karon nito na punin bitu kem raw?
Ah?
Karon nito na punin bitu.
Wala.
Onsina. Mabuha na dance floor, mabuha. Tateka nga na carpet mo.
Ayo!
Yeah.
Sudah mama.
Correct.
Meron ka na bring sa amin doon na ko.
Chico Binaka.
Meron ka tinibigyan sa mga korban siya na club doon na ko. Kaya nice na sot siya na misam na wala ulit kami.
Iya. Ayo mbok sa tesoro.
Ayo.
Baru rusau. Karena cuma mau saya tadi semua dalam botol. Kan pernah kami komabe.
Ramula. Woi, masih mulu boy.
Kau na puro na lalang. Oke, Chase. Terus ada mau deh.
Ya benar wala bisa mungkin mana out paling so kilo ni tayo ni Kim Marotaka matanga ano may sama taltina daw na mga BSP live kaya na punjes breakfast crackers. Kalau ko
Mau deh.